get? What did we get in the mail, Mimi?
A baby.
No. We got kid boxes.
We got a kid box, yeah.
Yeah. You got a kid box too. Miss Diana's here visiting. Hi.
And they have clothes in it.
Oh my gosh, you're unboxing your kid box. Okay, everybody look at the link below. And if you want a kid box, you can get $25 off. We got a special code.
Oh, good.
What's this stuff?
And the way this works, that this kid box, you go to, I think it's kidbox.com. You get
What is this?
They send you a toy. You get a bunch of clothes, surprise clothes, and the ones you don't want, you can send back.
Unwind, surprise ball, prizes inside.
Whoa, you got a surprise ball? Open it.
Oh, fun.
And so what Ivan and Rowan did is
It's
they
nothing. It's just gonna be a ball of stuff. Oh
they
my
answered
God.
questions on their style, and they sent him these clothes. But you got a prize too. What is that?
My prize ball.
Yeah, and I want to see your clothes too. Oh, there's your prize ball. You dropped it.
Yeah, it's a troll. It's just.
You might as well start opening hers
Oh,
too.
look at what she's doing on
Okay,
her.
now I
She's
got
sitting
red
on hers.
stuff.
Okay,
Hi,
let's open
Ayla.
your box.
Look, now I got unwind some red stuff. It's probably
Yeah.
just gonna be a ball. Like. It's probably just gonna be a normal
It just
ball.
keeps going and going and going. Yeah, a jawbreaker.
Red.
Hey, let's ready to open her.
Oh, I want to see what she got.
She got these that we don't want babies to have.
No,
All right, and she got a bow.
she got a bow.
And she's got, she got some hair and body wash.
Oh wow, I didn't know she got stuff like that. You still haven't opened your ball thing. They're still going on that while Mimi is getting the clothes. Oh, it's green.
There's a piece of paper.
Whoa. All right, you open all those and then show me when you have them all undone of the plastic.
It says,
Oh, what did you get?
Piece of paper. It says, "Why was 6 afraid of 7? Because 7, 8, 9."
Oh.
that?
oh, that's cute.
It's like 7, 8, 9.
What's in yours, Ivan? A toy?
Like
Yeah, a
ATE.
toy and a paper.
Oh, what is your toy?
I have no.
Shirt
Oh,
and
come on.
Oh, hold it up so I can see it.
Shirt and
I got some more
shorts.
stuff.
What does it have on it? Oh, it's an elephant. That's so
Look how cute the
cute.
shorts are with a little tassel.
Yeah,
That's one of them.
What is this?
yeah.
And
Yeah, this
then
top sucks.
They're more interested in the toys.
Beyblades.
What's that, a shirt? A dress?
A little tank dress.
Yeah.
Another piece of paper. Hey, what does my paper
And
say?
let's see what else we got
Let's see
here.
what the paper
what's
says.
this?
Yours says, why was 6 afraid of 7? You got the same joke.
Oh, a little romper.
Aw, little romper.
Isn't that cute?
That'll be cute for the summer.
Okay, there's one.
All right, put on your
Did you
mustache.
get a mustache either?
Where how did you find it?
Maybe this goes with this pink thing.
Yeah, that's so cute.
Yeah, where did it go?
It's a little outfit for Ayla.
Look, Ayla.
And Ayla, if you don't like it, we can send it back, but I think you like all of yours. I think you like your box the best. You want to get inside your box.
I don't like it. It's making me itchy. You can have it. I don't care.
You don't want your mustache?
Matches your hair.
All right, I want to see what clothes you got. Can you see?
Ivan, these are all
Take the
mine.
plastic off so I can see.
These are all mine.
This is good.
Yeah, I like that romper thing. Well, and it has little pom-pom things.
Oh, I like that.
It's Jessica Simpson.
The ocean.
Oh, it's a Jessica Simpson little romper. Cute. All right, let's see your shirt, Rowan. That's a cool shirt. You like that? Yeah, that looks like your style for sure.
This is Jessica Simpson too.
Yeah, those are Jessica Simpson. So these are all name brand stuff that we get here.
Yeah.
Let's see what you got.
You see that, Diana?
That's a cute outfit.
Reebok.
I got some.
Oh, cute.
Oh, just your stylish shirt.
Here's the
Shorts.
shirt that goes with it.
A DKNY shirt. Is this fun or what?
Do you think you're going to like that shirt?
That's a good brand. Let's hold it up and see.
It's a good color
This
for
is
you.
nice.
I like that.
That will look good on you with your dark hair.
Let me see yours. You're taking the tags off. I guess you're keeping all those, right? Oh, those are nice shorts. Puma.
Ooh, let me feel those.
You got a shirt.
Ooh, I like those.
Let's see those, Rowan.
Lucky brand.
Oh, those are nice.
From Lucky brand.
Yeah, Lucky, like our kitten Lucky. Y'all got a lot of stuff. So these boxes were $98 each, and Ayla's box was $68.
And it says that for each full box. No, that is.
Oh, wait, look.
Some stuff in the bag.
The return section.
For each
Just-
full
Oh,
box
yeah.
you keep will
Makes it
provide
easy.
clothing to a charity you select.
Oh, we get to select a charity to donate to.
But you have to keep the full box.
Yeah,
But that's cool.
Okay.
yeah.
By 7 mankind.
Let me see it. I like
Oh,
it.
I love
What
that.
else did you get, Ivan?
I love that.
These pants.
Let me see these pants. Hold them up.
Dude.
Yeah, those are nice.
Those are cool. These.
Yeah. So Ivan picked a sporty box, I think. So he wanted mostly sporty kind of clothes.
Yeah.
Those have a
I
design.
know.
Yeah, those are
Another
nice.
one from Lucky brand.
Those are very cute.
Yeah, I like that.
Wow, whoever filled up your box had good
The
taste.
final.
Yeah. The final shirt is green. Ivan went back there because he actually wants to wear his new clothes that he just got because he likes them so much.
We're gonna have a fashion
Lovely.
show.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fashion show.
Let's see that one, Rowan.
Oh, good color for you. Very good color for you.
Rebel Waves, I like it. It's a beach one. Just in time for summer coming.
It's by Low Sand.
Yeah.
Let's see the front.
Show her the front.
Oh, I like
That's
that.
cool.
What do you think of these boxes, Mimi?
Well, I think it's pretty nice.
This.
Yeah, because you get a lot of clothes in there. I didn't know that we're going to get that many in
Yeah,
there.
boys seem to get a ton of
And Ayla even got soap.
Yeah, she gets
Yeah,
so.
Ayla.
they seem to be quality and they're in good taste. There's nothing,
Yeah, they're all good brands.
there's nothing cheapy about them at all. It doesn't seem
Oh.
good.
And even the box is nice.
Even the
Yeah, even the box is nice. So you put your new stuff on.
But why did they send you girl power issue?
I don't know.
Why is it called girl?
Maybe everybody got that issue.
Power issue.
The girl power issue. I guess that's Ayla can read that one.
You send that to A. Oh yeah.
Oh, you put your shirt on backwards? Is that your new shirt?
There's,
Yeah, I like it.
You got some crayons. You get crayons in here.
Yeah.
Wouldn't it be nice if adults could get a box of clothes and they fit?
I know.
and we look good in all of
And
them.
we look really good like these kids do and all of
There must be an adult box somewhere.
there it is.
I'll change you to though.
Are you going to put your clothes
I
up?
love black and white, Rowan.
I do too.
Really nice.
All right, so I want to see what you got in there.
Wait, was that Ayla's?
It
No.
came in.
It just came in the box.
Came in Rowan's box.
Ayla got one too.
Yeah, that's just what everybody gets.
Yeah, it's just
They have a
mine
different
and
issue
yours.
every time. And I think they send these a few times a year.
Ivan, you made out, buddy.
Whoa, that one's cool. Don't rip it. You don't have to take all the tags off yet.
Yeah,
Just
don't pull those tags off. You'll get a
whoa, that's one color one side and the other color black.
Oh,
I like it.
Yeah, I like this side way better. It's like
Looks like the
space.
universe, yeah. All right, get your other clothes out, Ivan. I want to see the rest of them. You got tons of stuff.
I know.
You know that's a Ziploc. You can just unziplock it.
Oh.
Oh well, too late. Let's see what it is.
Oh, these are nice Ziplocs.
Oh, I like that.
What's those for pants?
Yeah, they're drawstring pants.
Yeah.
Those are cool. Like they have that string in them.
so that you can make them.
Tighter or looser. All right, let's get this what's this one, Ivan? This coral colored looking one, orangish. See what that one is.
Okay, wait.
Oh, this is for returns.
Yeah.
And here's the return.
Yeah, so they make it really easy.
And I'm going to put it back in the box.
But I don't think they're gonna return anything. I think they like it all, right, Ivan?
As long as they
Yeah, this shirt is just a little bit too big.
No, it fits pretty well. Plus, you're a growing boy.
Oh, I like that.
You're setting up your outfits like that. That's cool. All right, open that other one right there, Ivan.
Okay, does this have pockets?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm changing. Means this has no pockets.
I think you just had it on backwards, buddy.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you put it on backwards. You're a backwards dresser.
So they probably.
You're like crisscross back in the day.
Where?
Oh, I don't have anything else, but I do think they're backwards.
All right, Ivan, come open these. Open these. Wait, is it still recording? Yeah. Okay.
This little brochure tells us the price of everything.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, so did we save by getting them in a box rather than buying them separately?
So,
Yeah.
Yeah.
I couldn't find the zipper.
Yeah, let's see that one. Hold it up. Oh yeah, that's a Puma also. You could wear it with those Puma shorts over there. Nice.
But none of my
little small.
yeah, none of my pants fit.
Yours don't fit? Are they too big?
No. These fit pretty good. But
They came with no pants. That's weird.
He said his pants didn't fit.
Well, you can wear it with those Puma pants. All right, well, whatever you don't like, you can send it back if it doesn't fit. Yeah, those are Ivan's. But anyway, yeah, so everybody,
Did you try the black and white?
you know, everybody can get these 25 off if you look at the link below. All right, so I'm going to go now. Goodbye, everybody.